Imagine walking on a tightrope, 50 floors above the ground, with no net. Sounds insane, right? Well, that's exactly how most people invest. They buy a stock at the perfect price, assuming nothing goes wrong. But here's the problem. Something always goes wrong. That's why smart investors use a secret weapon called margin of safety. So what exactly is margin of safety? In simple terms, it's the difference between what something is worth and the price you pay. If a stock is worth $100 and you buy it at $70, that $30 gap is your margin of safety. It protects you from bad luck, bad timing, or, let's be honest, bad decisions. Benjamin Graham, the OG value investor and Warren Buffett's mentor, put it best. You must put up with the chance of being wrong. The margin of safety is the secret to being right enough. Let's say two investors, A and B, want to buy a lemonade stand. Investor A pays full price, $100, because that's the estimated value. Investor B waits and pays $70. When a disaster hits and sales drop by 30%, who's safer? Investor B. He bought cheap enough that mistakes and surprises hurt less. That gap between value and price is the cushion that saves your portfolio from becoming lemonade itself. Here's the simplified formula. Margin of safety equals intrinsic value minus market price divided by intrinsic value. If intrinsic value is $100 and price is $70, margin of safety equals 30%. The bigger the percentage, the more room you have for surprises. So how do you actually apply margin of safety? Step 1. Estimate intrinsic value. This can be based on cash flows, earnings, assets, whatever fits the business. Step 2. Don't trust your estimate too much. It's probably wrong. Everyone's estimate is wrong. Step 3. Demand a discount. If you think a stock is worth $100, aim to buy at $70 or $60. Step 4. Be patient. Margins of safety don't appear every day, but when they do, that's where fortunes are made. Investing without a margin of safety is gambling with confidence. Investing with a margin of safety means even when the world throws a storm at you, you stay in the game. And staying in the game long enough is how you win.